enough thing we have to go move, you know.
So hold on there, wait. How the boss say that?
I know say boss, nah come back right now. I mean the boss, you know. As in, I want things thing. I'm asking you a question.
How the man there solo?
The man there. Yeah,
so hold on, are you out to the boss?
Oh me, I'm the boss right now, you see me? Come on, ask me a question, sir. Come on. Come on, yo, youth. If I humble yourself, I'm the boss about the place, you see me?
You don't know,
They make the low I look at you, them know it. You see me, dog? I want to go and tell them right now.
Yo, I don't like how you deal with me still, you know. But yo, I are the boss, you know.
Yo, Speng. How is Django there, man?
I don't know, I'm not rated like a boss.
Oh, slap mouth.
No bother with that, I'm on our way.
Man, I way about him who come back, man. You don't know how them boy they move, man.
No, not do that.
I'm sparing because of you, you see me?
See, good.
Yeah, I like that. It's okay. Yeah, man, everything blessing, I do it now.
You know, my day is still easy. Stay so back. Don't know. I'm there now, what not going on. Make something going on.
I can check right now, and give him thing, and then I will give him my thing. So I get my thing and see what can go on.
What do you say? So you're ready for forward? Where you have a link?
Right now, man.
Come to move them, man. Where are they?
Yeah, I say, bossy. Woman are forward up the road, come check you, you know.
Oh,
some business them there on, you know, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Probably all the money that you know. Alright, that's nothing.
Kind money you talk about, bossy?
Money if you turn the whole life around, you know, dog, you know, see? So what you deal with?
Yo, business, you know.
Yeah? So business right?
Yeah, man.
Boss, you don't know them boy, you know, dog. You want me to search him?
No man, easy man, isn't it? A business thing, isn't it?
I have your G, I have my G.
Yeah man.
Listen.
Deal with it.
Yo, where are they?
Can I frisk?
You know what I say?
Yeah.
Yo,
Bumbo clad them.
To my
Bless.
Mr. Puss.
Go on first. Go on.
Yo, easy.
Easy.
Good.
I'm doing. Easy.
See you again here.